Today is the official release of my cookbook/memoir. Y'all have no idea. And you can officially pre-order my book by clicking the link below. It was a long labor of love, and I am so grateful to y'all to be able to bring this to you. I'd like to thank my entire team for helping my dream become a reality. And in just a few days, you'll be able to order my book from wherever you get your books. Amazon, Apple, Barnes & Noble. The book is everywhere. So y'all, thank you so much, and I can't wait for y'all to learn a little bit more about me and at the same time be able to cook some of those dope recipes I got in there. And once again, I'd like to say thank y'all so much, because you know what? Y'all have no idea. I can't wait for y'all to find out. Thank y'all so much. See y'all soon.